Hey, second graders, welcome back. Last week we were practicing finding the main topic of a story. And to help us support that main topic, we were pulling out those key details from the text, really finding the text evidence in the story to support what we think is the main topic in each story. So we read a story about tornadoes. Do you remember? And we talked all about what tornadoes were and all the details about tornadoes to support the main topic and that main idea of it. So we're going to continue on with that. We are keeping the same essential question this week, which is, how does weather affect us? So you were giving beautiful examples of different kinds of weather and how we might have to prepare for the weather or adjust to the weather, just depending on the differences. A tornado is completely different how we would prepare and take care of ourselves during a tornado versus a hot, sunny 85-degree day when we're going to the beach. We're going to prepare different for those two kinds of weather. Same snowstorm, a big blizzard, we're going to have to prepare completely different than we would for other things, than like a thunderstorm. So weather really can affect us. And so that's going to be the question that we're going to lock up in our brain today. How does weather affect us? That's that question that we're going to keep kind of trying to answer as we read. So today we are going to read another story. We're going to start it and then we're going to finish it tomorrow. But for the first few pages, I'm going to read with you and we're going to try to find some key details and figure out, what do we think the main topic of this story is? Okay, are you ready? We need to have paper and a pencil or something to write with, and we are going to create a tree map together. Okay, so I'm going to start it with you and then you are going to complete it on your own. And then we'll just add to it tomorrow, okay? Because it's a longer story, so we'll break it up into two chunks. All right, you ready? So this story is called Wild Weather. So right away, I know that the title is usually a really, really good clue for what the main topic is going to be about. So I'm going to show you the picture. Wild weather. You see those dark clouds forming in the picture there? Wild weather. I'm going to start reading to you, and I would like you can scroll down, follow along, and then you'll finish the story on your own. Okay? Air is all around us. The air moves and winds blow. Changes in the air are called weather. So changes in the air is called weather. That's really good to know. Sometimes weather is sunny and fair. Other times it's cloudy and rainy. Storms are sudden, harsh. There's one of those vocabulary words. Harsh changes in the weather. Thunderstorms. Okay, so look at, there's broken up into some sections. Thunderstorms is the first one. Thunderstorm is a heavy rain shower. In a few minutes, a big thunderstorm can drop millions of gallons of water. Millions of gallons. Did you know that? Hundreds of thunderstorms pop up every second somewhere around the world. These storms have lightning, and thunder is the sound of lightning. So what in that section alone was a key detail that told you a little bit about thunderstorms? What was a key detail from it? The main thing that I took away from that is that a thunderstorm is heavy rain and it has thunder and lightning. So that is what a thunderstorm is. That's a detail, a really good key detail. So you can pause the video. I'm going to write this down. You can pause it as you write too. Okay, so let's add that to our tree map as the first key detail to support whatever we think this main topic is going to be of the story. Okay. Grab a different color. Okay, and remember, as we write on our thinking maps, it's always good to practice writing first and then drawing any sort of square or circle around what you wrote. Okay, so I wrote a thunderstorm is a heavy rain with thunder and lightning. Then I go ahead and I create my box around that. Okay, let's keep reading and let's find some more key details about weather. Lightning is the next section. Lightning. Lightning is a giant spark of electricity. A bolt of lightning is 6 to 10 miles long. I didn't know that. 6 to 10 miles long. My goodness. But it's only about as thick as your finger. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. These are some good details. Remember them. A bolt of lightning can be very dangerous and can cause harm. The heat of a lightning bolt can set fire to a tree or a house. Would you like to know how far away the lightning is? Count the number of seconds between each lightning flash and the clap of thunder. Every 5 seconds equals 1 mile. That would be fun. Our next thunderstorm that we have, you can practice counting and see how many miles away it is. If thunder booms a second or two after you see lightning, that's a warning. The sound means the lightning bolt is close to you. Okay, that was a lot of information. You might need to pause and reread because that is a lot of information all about lightning. So there is a picture, and I'm going to show you, and it shows us, it's a diagram, and it shows how lightning works. I'm going to hold it up first. Okay, so I'm going to read the words to you. You can scroll down and see it as well. It says, electrical charges build up between the ground and a cloud. The hot air rises and the cold air sinks. And when they meet up, it's lightning. Isn't that cool? You can pull any of the details that you choose from this section and let's add it to our chart. Okay, let's add it on there. So I'm going to say lightning happens when cold and hot air meet. All right, so I'm making sure that I have a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence and a period at the end. Okay, it's really good to practice that even when we're doing our thinking maps and charts. All right, so we have two key details. Are you already getting some ideas of what you think the main topic of this story is? The title gave us a really good clue, and the pictures in the book as well. All right, so you're going to continue reading this on your own. I would like you to read the next page, which is all about tornadoes, watches, and warnings. Okay, so how to watch for it, and we're going to stop right there. So scroll down, read the rest of the story, rewatch this video if you need to help you find those key details in the text. And then will you send me a photo in Dojo of your tree map? We're going to add to it. We might start a new one tomorrow, but we're going to add to it and finish this story tomorrow. Okay? Add a couple more details and send me a picture in Dojo. Let me know if you have any questions. Keep up the hard work. I look forward to seeing it, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.